problem I was having before I had my treatment was I had a problem with a front crown, and I'd had this problem for many years and had unsuccessful crown replacements. I came to this dentist and he recommended an implant, so that's what I went for. It was quite a long-winded procedure, but the results were really good. My thoughts on my dentist Patrick is he's phenomenally experienced and skilled. He is very professional, as are all the nursing staff and hygienists that I've visited. They're actually very humorous, put you much at ease, and nothing's too much trouble. I can highly recommend Patrick and all his team. The benefits I found, certainly after having the crown implant, I don't have any issues around the gum margin that I used to have before I had the implant. My mouth feels a lot better. I think my smile is a lot nicer, and just my general dental health is much improved. The advice I would give to any future patients considering this practice is just go ahead and join. The practice will treat you professionally. The service and the care is second to none. I highly recommend them. When I first saw my smile after the crown had been fitted to the implant, I was amazed at what a difference it made. My confidence was much improved. I can smile readily now, and I've put up with lots of a bad front crown for all of my adult life, and in fact going back to my early childhood, and now that's all behind me, so I'm a happy bunny.